Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life. Are you ready to spring into clean? This is how not to spring clean. Okay guys, I don't typically spring clean, but I do something that I call work smarter, not harder. So I started this last year, but I kind of got away from it, so I'm going to start it again. I do something that, like I said, is called work harder, not smarter. So I clean out one drawer while dinner is cooking. So you saw dinner cooking, and I'm going to clean and organize this jar. So yeah, I'm going to take everything out, and I am putting my Ziploc bags. They were in my pantry, and I decided to use these bamboo dividers and put them in there. I like to take all of my Ziploc bags that I don't really use that much, but and take them out of the box and put them in the drawer with the dividers. I'm using the 7th generation cleaner. I'm just going to wipe it out and put everything back. Okay guys, so I got the bamboo dividers from Amazon. Guys, measure your drawers because I bought these dividers for another drawer and they were too short. So I needed the extra long ones, and I got the Pioneer Woman drawer liner from Amazon also. And now I have this extra organizer that I could use in another space or donate. This is a collab put together by Denise at This and That with Denise Jordan. So when you're done watching my video, click the playlist. I will put it on the end screen and in the description below. And you can watch their videos when you're done watching mine and get some inspiration to spring clean. So last year, when we were staying at home, I started a one and done cleaning routine, which is a little Flylady-ish. It was based off of Flylady and Clean Mama, but it's not really. I only have 3 zones, and I do them throughout 1 week. I actually do 3 zones 1 week, 2 zones the other week. So I don't have to clean. Don't have to zone clean every day. So that, if you are interested in that, you can click the link down below. There is a free printable, and in June I will be doing a cleaning routine challenge if you want to try out my routine and follow along and see if this is something that you might like to do. It's like Flylady, but I think it's simpler. So, and then I don't have to clean every day, but still doing zone cleaning. Okay, so actually I am making breakfast this morning. It's actually Easter morning, and I am gathering up some things to make a frittata, and this drawer is kind of disgusting. It needs cleaned out, but I don't need to clean out the whole refrigerator. I did that about a month or 2 ago. Hubby and I both deep cleaned the refrigerator, and then I spot clean it when I go grocery shopping, but this drawer really needs cleaned out. So while the frittata is in the oven cooking, I'm going to clean out my vegetable drawer. So if you do what I am doing, the work smarter, not harder, and clean out one drawer while you're making dinner or breakfast or whatever, let's just say dinner, you will have had cleaned 7 drawers in 1 week, and then you don't have to put aside a certain amount of time to go ahead and clean out all your kitchen drawers. You can just get it done real quickly while dinner is cooking. So let's do that. So I probably could have just wiped out this drawer with a microfiber cloth, but since I was just doing one drawer and not having to pull out all the drawers, it was just easier to just pull out one drawer and clean it. I don't know, sometimes when you use the microfiber cloth, it doesn't pick everything up, and I wanted every little speck to be gone. And yeah, I'm using some Dawn dish soap and just rinsing it out and drying it. It didn't take no time at all. Okay, my frittata is ready, but I'm just going to let it cool on the stove while I go ahead and finish cleaning the drawer. So I'm going to organize it too, And I'm going to clean out underneath first, and then I'm going to put everything back. I like to store things in mason jars. They keep very well in mason jars rather than in plastic. And also, too, the plastic can leach toxins into your food. Mainly it's when you heat it up and when you freeze it. So I just like to use the mason jars. It is actually a cheap storage. They are very inexpensive, and I like to buy the plastic lids for them instead of the metal lids, which can, when it gets condensation on it, they can rust a little bit. So, all right, drawers all clean. I need to remember to use up that squash tonight because it's looking a little peaked. Done. Okay, on this particular day, I was not doing my zone cleaning, but I happened to be watching TV, chilling and relaxing, and I saw a video of somebody cleaning their oven with the Dawn Power Wash, and I thought I would try that out. Now, I didn't do the whole oven, I just did the oven door. Now, I also have to say, I already cleaned this oven door, but it didn't come as clean as I wanted to. It was a couple months ago, and there was still a lot of brown little spots on it, but I am using the razor blade, so I don't know if it was a combination of the power wash and the razor blade that finally got it clean. It was definitely, the whole door was yellowed, like, or brown, and so they had little spots, baked on spots. So that came off with the razor blade, but the yellowing came off with the power wash. So I'm actually went into my laundry room and got some blue paper towels because I was wasting way too many paper towels cleaning this up. You can buy the blue, they're called shop towels, in the automotive section at Walmart or Target, and they are super absorbent, and I like to use it for messy things like this. You can see me here using the blue paper towels. They are extra thick paper towels. They actually work really good when you're Windexing your windows too. You will not go through so many, and they're super absorbent, and they don't leave the little linty stuff on the windows. Okay, well, that's much better, but I did not get to cleaning the inside of the oven. The oven is a thorn in my side, and I don't like to do it all at one time. It's like a huge chore. So I will tackle that another day, and I will let you know how the Dawn Power Wash works on the inside of the oven. Worked pretty good on the door, don't you think? Okay, here we are on another day. Actually, I think this was like a good month or two ago that I did this. And actually, yeah, a month ago. I was doing zone 3, which is my kitchen area, my family room, and my guest room and guest bath. I usually just pick one thing to do extra. I call it my zone cleaning extras, and that was to clean the freezer. Deep clean the freezer. It was pretty nasty. Yeah, something spilt in there. I think somebody's coffee, they put it in there and to make it ice cold, and it spilt. So I got to clean that all up. So I am making sure I clean the little grooves and the rubber seals. How does crumbs get in there? It's a freezer. You just open it to get stuff out of. I mean, I don't know how crumbs get in there. It's crazy. So the underneath of it finally got cleaned. That was really nasty. I was trying to figure out how to pull the drawer out, and I ended up just reaching in and bending, but this girl don't bend well. So, and I got quite a mess on the floor that I need to clean up also. All right, so I had some of these bins that I got from Target laying around, and they actually worked out pretty good for organizing my hamburger in my freezer because they're nice and long, and yeah, they worked out really well. And they're nice and hard and sturdy because I have bought Dollar Tree bins to put in the freezer, and they just end up cracking and breaking. Okay, so I have hamburger here, ground lamb, grass-fed beef. I think that is lentil soup and some sausage. And then I have all my ice packs, and this is ice cream. And that is tomato rice soup. Yeah. And then this is just extra fruit, and that is all frozen fruit. Usually I turn it upside down, but they thawed out a little bit, and I didn't want them to leak all over the fridge. Not too much, just a little bit to make a little bit of juice. And I actually turned one upside down already, and it kind of spilled. So I wiped it off. I turned it upside down so I can see what it is. So yeah, that's worked well because I haven't used that in a while. I need to use up those for smoothies. And then I didn't have these two things didn't fit. That is for ice. I don't happen to have any ice right now, so I'm saving that for that. I usually buy a bag of ice when I go to the store, but I forgot. And then these are all ice packs to put it in coolers. Well, it was for hubby when he worked outside the home, but he doesn't now, but that may change. So actually he had to go to work today for a few minutes to pick something up. So that was the first time in almost a year. So I gotta figure out what I'm going to do with the rest of this stuff. Okay, these bins I got from IKEA. They're really thick. See how thick they are? And sturdy. I've had other bins in the freezer, and like Dollar Tree. That's a no, that don't work. And they cracked. So, but these I had in the laundry room here, and I'm like, you know what? They weren't working in the laundry room. These are from Target. They're really sturdy, thick, and they really work really well in there. And that one I just happen to have, so I just reused it. You know, I always am saving containers to reuse for something. So I'm gonna try to make whatever left is fit and try to do it by category: chicken, beef, that kind of thing. Okay, everything's fitting. So this is chicken, and then this is miscellaneous. I got pork, I got a steak, I got Italian chicken sausage, and a steak or something. So what is that? Chuck steak. So, and then I have these. I have to fit in there, and then this is pizza dough. And I don't have a container for that, I don't think. All right, everything fits real good. And then the pasta can fit there. Yeah. And then I took the bread and stood it upright so I can see everything at a glance. Yeah, everything at a glance. Okay, and we're done. So if you like this video, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, click my face right there and subscribe so you don't miss next Sunday's Spring Into Clean video. And the playlist is right there. You can click on that. And there's a playlist from my last year's spring cleaning if you'd like to watch that also. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.